Pasadena, Texas, January 21, 2025. Snowstorm, the historic snowstorm we're supposed to get. Oh, it's snowing. It did come. I think some of our eastern areas are already approaching 6, 7 inches. I think Crosby and Baytown, they're the ones that are getting the most. But we're on the edge of that real big squall. It's definitely snowing pretty good out here. Roads are not the greatest, I'll say that. But we're definitely getting heavy snow right now. But we're almost out of the snow. So